Now, in this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature a food innovator whose vision is to tap into the multi-million-dollar global vegan pasta market. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Founder of Nell's Tendaronis, Nell Williams, says he wanted to improve the food and dietary experience for people by creating a vegan option for pasta lovers. He started off in the food distribution business and decided to start creating his own products.
The first idea we actually had was actually trying to go into gluten-free breads, but the ability to merchandise those products is too short. You have to go to the store every 7 days to merchandise. So if the bread gets too dry or too stale, you have to go back. So the logistics about that was very hard. Whereas pasta has a longer shelf life. It's easy to scale, like I said before, and it's a commercial commodity. Like, who don't like pasta? I mean, it's the easiest thing for kids to make.
Perfecting Nell's Tendaronis took about 2 years, during which Mr. Williams secured funding through the Development Bank of Jamaica (TVJ) and Goddard Enterprise Limited. By September 2020, Nell's Tendaronis was officially on supermarket shelves, and with it came a vegan option.
Where in doing the vegan food distribution, we kind of hit upon an idea that, hey, maybe there's more to explore in that space because there's nobody actively in that space, and there are other products we could look at and basically rethink those kind of foods and convert them into healthier versions. So I think the vegan option was just highlighting that, hey, these are products that are vegan friendly. A lot of people don't remember that vegan friendly products are not just boring products. It doesn't mean vegetables and bush every day.
The product can now be found in 50 locations island-wide. But while sales from Nell's saw growth in the pandemic,
we did not make a profit, but we did accumulate a lot of sales. We sold off our first batch already. So we've sold off just about 4,800 units since that period, since we started in January 2020. I'm correct? Yes, January 2020, up until, I would say, the latter part of last year, maybe about say October of last 2021.
As time went on, he realized that creating value-adding products through indigenous products was lacking locally. He started researching and eventually came up with sweet potato pasta.
We export sweet potatoes on a large basis to places like UK, Canada. So we have sweet potatoes. So finding a product, an item that we could easily source as a supply, also manufacture through scaling, those are important aspects to kind of build the value and supply chain. So sweet potato, breadfruit, cassava, all those items, green planting, all those items are really areas that we want to get into.
Of the $136 million pasta market globally, Mr. Williams aims to tap into just 3 to 5% by being a leading commercial manufacturer and exporter of vegan-friendly food products. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Barrett.